Seyidraw ibe ngomhla ka-29 kuNovemba kwe-2025 ngentsimbi yeshumi elinambini emini. Abathengi abathe bangene lolu khuphiswano bayacelwa bafike phambi kwexesha le-draw bephethe izazisi zabo, i-ID. Sibanqwenelela impumelelo kubo bonke abazawungena lolu khuphiswano. Khumbula, umcofimba wama-Superspar okuphathela i-Stokvel Competitions qho ngoDisemba. Uyovalisa isitokfeli senu nizifumane nisethubeni lokuzwinela inkomo ephilayo. Ungaphozwa, ecofimba wama-Superspar bamnyama futhi sibahle.
Good variety.
Uma Mdeuka masifunde sikhule sakho kuhlala sikhule size ngolwazi noXhuma Mdeuka on Masakhane exclusively on Vukani FM.
15 imizuzu ibethile insimbi yaka 11 o'clock. Sizawuncokola ke nabantwana base Cambridge Missionaries Academy, but ke qala saqala sincokole no Mem Sive into yobana mhlambi why these kids are here overcrowding my space. Mem, good morning and thank you so much for joining us.
Ndiyazibulisa la mphulaphuli.
Ke iwethu mem bani
Uthetha noSikelelwa Sando.
Sikelelwa Sando. Okay. Indawoni i-Cambridge Missionaries Academy.
I-Cambridge Missionaries Academy ilapha etown eCala.
Okay.
If uyayibona i-stadium,
Yes, that's when the stadium.
yes, or direct opposite ne-stadium
Oh.
ekupheleni kwethango
Oh.
lase-stadium.
Why ndizise abantwana apha namhlanje?
Sidecide ukubazisa abantwana so that babenokwazi ukwazi about izinto ezenzekayo apha radio station, apha radio
Yeah.
station. So sathanda ke ukuba masibazise namhlanje apha so that bazokwazi uthorisha bayazi Vukani community radio station.
Sibagqibela ubhala.
Bagqibela ubhala buti.
Oh, okay. Grade bani lo?
Different grade from grade 4 up to grade 5.
Grade 4 up to grade 5. Oh, zeziphi ke subjects ezenziwa grade 4 and 5?
Benza eza learning areas is 6.
Okay.
Is 2 languages. And then benza
Life skills
benza natural science,
and
social sciences.
oh. Okay, make sinqokole nabanikazi bendaba sive into yobana bona bazawuthina jongani ke ngane abanye bazawuthetha apha, they will use this microphone, and then abafutshane bona bazawusebenzisa le, then abanye basebenzise le. We will try by all means. We have 13 minutes, so we will utilize this 13 minutes wisely and siqale sinqokole kuba nozoqala thethe radio. Hi, yes, Ted. So thetha up. Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
thanks. I'm fine, thanks, and you?
I am good, thanks. My name is Chuma, and yourself?
I am Olathando,
Olothando, ne? Funa grade bani Olothando?
grade 2.
Grade 2. Ngubani umem okanye usewa ka grade 2?
Mr. George.
Mr. George. Who's Mr. George? Oh, hi, Mr. George. Okay. So Mr. George is grade 2 and Alothando, you are doing grade 2. All right. Thank you so much. Okay, Alothando, let's take ukuba mdala. Uzakufunelwa yintoni xa mdala?
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Listen, there is a doctor for eye specialist for amehlo. There is a dentist ugqirha wamazinyo. There is a podiatrist ugqirha wenyawo. There is general practitioner. So when I ufuna ugqirha wantoni? Wamehlo, ne? All right. We have one specialist in prison, so you're gonna be the second one. So thank you so much. Because sibona ke ne. Ngompo sawuthetha on. Kaloku masimeni ngapha bethu nesona sizawuvelani pha. Uyayiqonda? So yes. So bona sawuthetha omnye ke. Thank you so much ke Olothando. Yes, use this one umde wena. Sebenzisa le i-mic. Molo ndoda unjani?
Yaphila kunjani na?
Uyaphila namankosi. Mbona igama lakho wena?
Dungiyanhle Miso.
Yahle, yahle wenza grade bani?
Grade 1.
Grade 1. Kubani utitsha wakho grade 1?
Mr. George.
Mr. George. So Mr. George is doing grade 1 and grade 2. Oh, okay. Uzoba yintoni xa mntana?
Socha.
Chini masimqhobelele izandla. Yo, sibone George. Yo, sibone George. Okay. Thank you so much ke bhuti, ndiyabulela ndoda va. Okay. Abanye uthi phaa kwelaa cala ne. Nale yasebenza nale lena masiyenzeleni abafutshane. Wena uzawuthetha kule isa kule imic kaOlothando. Ngoba omnye uzawuthetha kunoOlothando futhi. Umfutshane makaze kule imic, then abade bathi thetha masithethe apha. Molo papa unjani? Molo papa unjani? Ndiyaphila. Mbona igama lakho?
is Tandil,
Isithandile. Isithandile wena uthi grade bani?
grade 2.
Grade 2 from Mr. George, ne?
Yes.
Okay. Isithandile wena uzaba yintoni xa umdala?
Police.
Saba lipolisa neso saba nepolisa saba nogqirha saba nejoni. Thank you so much ke. Ndiyabulela ke ntwana ngozosibona. Uyeva?
Oh.
All right. Masive. Hi baba njani? Njani?
I'm fine.
I am good, thanks. My name is Chuma, and yourself?
My name is Mafolandile. My
Mafolandi.
surname is Zito.
All right. So when I was a grade one,
2.
grade 2 from Mr. George. Okay, come tell us about it.
When I'm old, I want to be a lawyer
You want to be a lawyer. Why you want to be a lawyer?
because I want to talk for other people like my sister.
Ah, wasn't cool. So your sister is a lawyer. So you also want to be a lawyer.
Yes, I want to
Oh,
be a
thank you
lawyer.
so much. All right. Thank you so much. I love you, Mtanamne. Thank you so much. Go on, foot. Yeah, good. Go to the name for Molon to Jen.
Phila kanjani?
Ndiyaphila nami enkosi bonke bela kwena.
Yeah.
Okay, funa grade bani?
Go grade 3.
Grade 3. Grade 3 kubantitsha kwa grade 3.
Mr. George.
Hey. Mr. George ufundisa isikolo sonke mos. So Mr. George is doing grade 2, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. All right. So, uzabantwana xa umdala wena?
My pilot.
Chini, hayibo, masiqhubeni izandla. Yo, we're going to have a lawyer, and then siba nejoni, siba nogqirha, sizaba going to have a pilot now. All right. So, yes, ndoda njani? Ndiyaphila. Umbona igama lakho wena? Okay. Uzaba yintoni wena xa umdala? Firefighter, ne? I love that. Which grade are you doing? Grade 4. What grade 4? Ngubani utitsha kwa grade 4? Don't tell me that it's going to be Mr. George. Again. All right, thank you so much. Ngubani ungekathetha? Masithetheni ngapha ngoku, masithetheni masiphumzeni le mic ngoku sithetheni kule microphone. Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm fine. And how are you?
I'm good, thanks. My name is Kuma, and yourself?
My name is Lena, and my surname is El Badawi.
Okay. What is about? Don't come down.
I want to be a doctor.
You want to be a doctor? Which doctor?
The doctor that helps big things.
Big things. I love that. Which grade are you doing?
Grade 4.
Grade 4 from Mr. George.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Who else? Yes, you. It's your turn. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thanks.
I'm good, thanks. My name is Kuma, and yourself?
I'm Abigail, and my surname is Sandor.
Abigail. Abigail, come tell us about doing.
To be a surgeon
You want to be a surgeon? Why?
because I want to help sick people.
Okay, you want to do surgeries for sick people. I love that. Are you doing grade 4?
5.
Grade 5?
Yes.
Mr. George?
Mr. Leonard.
Mr.?
Mr. Leonard.
Where is Mr. Leonard? Oh, so finally, grade 5 is from Mr. Leonard. Okay, who else is going to speak? Hi, how are you, my doll?
I'm fine, and you?
I am good, thanks. My name is Kuma. My surname is Mdeuga. And yourself?
And my surname is Jose.
Which grade are you doing?
Grade 2.
Grade 2 from Mr. George.
Yeah.
When you are old, you want to be what?
A doctor.
You want to be a doctor, podiatrist, general practitioner, or you want to be a surgeon?
To be the one that for the
But you want to be a dentist. I love that. What's the So we have dentists, we have surgeons, we have lawyers, we have firefighters, police. There's a lot. Okay, so who else is going to speak now? Hi, but got it. Oh, okay. Okay. Hi. Okay. Hi, Babunjani.
I'm fine, thanks. How are you?
I am good, thanks. My name is Kuma, and yourself?
Thanks. I
You are Milani Dingiswai. Milani, what is about? Don't come, tell them.
want to be a teacher.
You want to be a teacher. Why you want to be a teacher? You want to be like Mr. George because Mr. George is doing grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So there is a lot of work. So you also want to be like that? So you want to be a teacher. All right. Thank you so much. Who else is going to speak? Hey, you look so shy. Nobody's going to beat you. Hi. Are you well?
Yes.
Okay. Your name?
My name is Palela. My surname is Nisel.
Polela, ne? Okay. Which grade are you doing, Polela?
Doing grade 4.
You're doing grade 4 from Mr. Leonard. You okay? Sure. Basomdala uzawuba yintoni mntanam? You want to be a doctor. All right. We're going to have lots of doctors here. So, okay. Who else is going to use? Hey, thetha apha wena mfutshane. Ubani igama lakho?
Aluwelwa ma-awu.
Okay, uzawuba yintoni xa mdala wena?
Police.
Uzawuba lipolisa wena ne? Yhu, tshini masimqhobelele izandla. You're going to have a pole. Why ufuna uba lipolisa? Hayi, asikagqibi. Ufuna ugrade bani?
Grade 1.
Grade 1 from Mr. George.
Yes.
All right, all right. Ngompha omnye ongekathethi? Enkosi kakhulu mntana mdabulela. Akekho nongekathethi? Hayi, bethuna ndiba mbalwa kangaka. Xesha nabantu abayi-65 thina apha. Uthethile. Ngompha omnye ongekathethi? Okay. Khani nindixelele nenza ntoni phaa esikolweni nifuna there is an assemble at school, ne? Then you guys pray before you start your lessons, and then you pray when you are going home, is it? So
Yes.
you guys gonna pray for me. Pray for me then.
Our who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom comes, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thy is thy kingdom, power, and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
Man, thank you so much. Ndiyabulela ngozondibona niyevani. Ifuna ndindlalele ingoma ephi ingoma? Gumba, yintoni leyo? It has to be an English song.
We South Africa.
Yes.
South Africa. National anthem.
National anthem. Haibo, kubani lo ucula national anthem? Can you be South African? Don't you guys listen to Ariana Grande? Your Pink.
Jesus, 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 yes,
Nkosi kakhulu ndiyanibulela ke nonwabe nevani. Yina senityisi baqala abantwana bam banganizise abuthina bakanityisi. Anikavi uba nizawutyela ntoni. Jongani ke xa siphuma apho nam ndizawuza ndizotyala into nizabe niyitya nevani.
yes.
Ndizawuza nam ndizotya nani. Sendizawugqibezela ngoku. I'm left with 32 minutes qha and then I'm done. When I'm done, I'm going to come and eat with you guys. I love you so much. Thank you so much kubana nizondibona niyevani.
Thank you.
Pleasure for vayini ke.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.